I don't see a lot of edge either way. Everyone is going to be looking at the advertising model, how quickly it ramps, and everyone's going to be looking at password sharing. Is it continue to push additional subs? But if you remember, they are trying to guide us to focus less on subs. That's the whole key here, and focus more as a real company. When I say real, I mean a company where we look at revenue growth or lack thereof, and earnings growth and PE, and not just make it about subs. So that hint to me already suggests that is not the key to the story any longer, and they want to steer you away from that, just like Apple wanted to steer you away from handset sales and eventually said it's time to focus on services. So that said, and also kind of giving us a heads up on all this, I'm not that bearish because they've already kind of tried to change our mind in terms of how to look at a lack of sub growth, right? They're saying that that's not really the key to the story. But at the same time, everything I'm reading suggests that from key analysts and media, right, that sub growth was minimal this quarter. I read a lot that said they might miss in terms of like a valuation perspective. Last I checked, it's trading like 47, 50 times forward earnings. It's not that exciting here. It's not that exciting a short here. The chart is a bit iffy. If we break, I see the 50, then the 100. So when I play earnings, and I'm aggressive with several earnings reports, especially before and even more so after, I like to feel like you don't have to play them all, right? Some of it's potluck, a lot of it's guessing. So I need to feel like I have some sort of edge. Here's the edge I have. This is about the only edge I have. So I have a few friends I grew up with that are like no joke media guys, right? Like run Stars or ran MySpace. And all these guys say the same thing, right? I know nothing about media. They all say Netflix like owns everything. This is de facto winner, screw everyone else, and every time it gets crushed by it. And they've always been pretty right. Like every time the stock's gotten crushed, it goes back up. That's what I know, that the people in the know that know media better than anyone I know say always own Netflix, no one will ever touch them. But we're talking about a quarter, right? And the stock could be up or down 15, 20%. This quarter, I'm a little negative. I'm not going to play it. I don't feel I have an edge.